Hi everyone, it's Kuvi. Let's start by practicing your listening skills. While you listen, please try to find the mistakes in this dialogue.
Hi, Jenny, where you going? Hi, Amy, I is going to the park.
There are two mistakes in this dialogue. Amy forgot to use a verb to be, and Jenny used the wrong verb to be. Let's review our subject verb agreements. When your subject is I, please remember to use the verb to be am. I am. When your subjects are he, she, or it, please use the verb to be is. She is. He is. It is. And when your subjects are they, we, or you, please use the verb to be are. We are. They are. You are. Now let's practice. Let's head back to Amy and Jenny's conversation. Please try to correct it by filling in the blanks with the correct verb to be. Okay, let's see if you got this right. Amy should say, "Hi Jenny, where are you going?" And Jenny should say, "Hi Amy, I am going to the park." Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye bye everyone.